Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split rent with friends on Flex app. First, unlock your phone and open the Flex app. Log in if needed. On the home screen, tap your rent amount or rent details. This shows the full rent you need to pay each month. Look for option that says invite, roommate, share rent or split rent. Tap the button and send the invite link to your friend using text, email or messaging app. They will open the link and join your rent group in Flex. Once your roommate joins, you can decide how to split the rent. Even split, everyone pays the same, different amount if someone pays more or less. Update the amount if needed and confirm the plan. Flex will now assign each person promotion of the rent. Each person will see their own payment schedule in the app. When it's time, tap pay or Flex charge your saved payment method. Flex takes care of processing everyone's here. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.